Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. English grammar, tenses. తెలుగులో కూడా కాలములు. Present tense, past tense, future tense. And each tense is divided into 4 groups again. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 tenses. Present tense form of the verb is go, goes. Past tense form went. Past participle form gone. Present participle form going. This is V1, V2, V3, V4. To infinitive form to go, V5. Future form shall or will go, V6. Persons, first person, second person, third person. Singular, plural. First person singular I, first person plural we. Second person singular you. In Old English it was thou. Second person plural you. Third person singular he, she, it, this, that. And if we take any name, Raja, Rani. Third person plural they, these, those. And if we take names, Raja and Rani, plural. These are helping verbs. We have 24 helping verbs. వీటిని సహాయక క్రియలు అంటారు. am, is, or, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, need, dare, must, used to, ought to, have, has, had, do, does, did. These are also called auxiliary verbs, anomalous verbs. S represents subject and P predicate, O object. From now onwards, 1A means present simple. Ante present simple. I go. This is the pattern. Subject plus V1. V1 means first form of the verb. This is subject. This is V1. నేను వెళ్తాను ఆర్ నేను వెళ్తున్నాను అని అర్థం. 1B present continuous. I am going. Pattern is subject plus am or is or plus V4. V4 is nothing but present participle. This one going. నేను వెళ్తున్నాను. 1C present perfect. I have gone. The pattern is subject plus have or has plus V3. V3 is nothing but past participle form. This gone is the past participle form for go. నేను వెళ్ళి ఉన్నాను. 1D present perfect continuous. I have been going. The pattern is subject plus have or has been plus V4. V4 is nothing but present participle form going. నేను వెళ్లుతూ ఉన్నాను. Here one important point is we have to add s or es to the verb when the sentence is in the simple present tense and the subject is the third person singular. To A means past simple. I went. Subject plus second form of the verb. that is past tense form of the verb. Went. నేను వెళ్ళాను. నేను వెళ్ళినాను. To be. Past continuous. I was going. The pattern is subject plus was or were plus V4. V4 is nothing but present participle form, that is going. నేను వెళ్ళుచుంటిని. To see. Past perfect. I had gone. The pattern is subject plus had plus V3. V3 is nothing but past participle form of go, that is gone. నేను వెళ్ళి ఉంటిని. 2D. Past perfect continuous. I had been going. The pattern is subject plus had been plus V4. V4 is nothing but present participle form. Present participle form of go is going. నేను వెళ్ళుతూ ఉంటిని. 3A. Future simple. I will go or I shall go. The pattern is subject plus shall or will plus V1. First form of the verb. నేను వెళ్తాను. 3B. Future continuous. I will be going or I shall be going. The pattern is subject plus shall or will be plus V4. V4 is nothing but present participle form of go. Here going. నేను వెళ్ళుతుంటాను. 3C. Future perfect. I will have gone or I shall have gone. The pattern is subject plus shall or will have plus V3. V3 is nothing but past participle form. Past participle form of go is gone. నేను వెళ్ళి ఉంటాను. 3D. Future perfect continuous. I will have been going or I shall have been going. The pattern is subject plus shall or will have been plus V4. V4 is nothing but present participle form of go. Here going. నేను వెళ్ళుతూ ఉంటాను.